Exercise with Cookie, Coco, and Newman and I. So funny, the birds have been watching my exercises and they want to join in. Well, Coco wants to join in, but then Newman and Cookie all come around, and then Rue's yelling, and then the dogs are pacing back and forth. It's just a nightmare. But I think they're having fun. And watch Cookie. He walked all the way over to the exercise mat, and Newman too. It was just so funny.
9. Release. Pick up one lighter weight in your right hand. Turn towards the short mirror. Pick up with your right.
Keep going down and up. That same motion, lift up, pull.
8, 9. Over here. Bring your arms back to 90. Rotate them into your lap.
Yeah, see there. Open your arms a little wider, guys, so that feels a little bit more comfortable on your shoulders.
And then down. Down.
Taller. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's your name? Angel. I'm Joanne. Just go with your right. Your elbows right back up where you were and lift up with a hold.
2 more.
That's one. Bend, just a little slight bend. Good. All right, using the mirror. Hold on.
1 inch lower. There's 10. And I see the light. 6 of Grace. 8. 9, yes, Serena. Next 10. 1. Raise your root side hand up overhead. Right 3, 4.
Hey, leave that. No chewing. There's no bird chewing on that. You guys aren't very good exerciser help. Huh?
Now you can bring your heels a little. Heels wider. Yeah. So sometimes your toes are perfect, but if you look at your heels behind, bring your heels out a little bit wider. That will give you that parallel step. On the next one, as you bring your elbows up, then slightly at your waist, open out for 2, and in. Stop outside the toes. Out, in. Keep your coming page. Do that more. Oh, that looks good. My hands are freezing. Forward again. Stay down. Down for 2. Down, back up. Keep going on that forward motion.
This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba Bobo.